Thinking of moving your Oracle workloads to AWS and bringing your licenses with you? On paper, it might seem like a smart way to save money, but the truth is, doing Oracle BYOL to AWS is a legal and financial minefield. If you don't plan it right, you could face compliance nightmares and licensing bills that run into the millions. Let's break down what you need to know. Oracle BYOL, bring your own license, lets you use your existing Oracle software licenses in the cloud. But when you take those licenses to AWS, Oracle treats that environment very differently than if you stayed on-prem or moved to Oracle Cloud. You're required to license all physical cores of the underlying AWS infrastructure, not just what your instance uses. And Oracle won't give you the benefit of their core factor table. That means higher costs, more complexity, and very little flexibility. Let's say you choose EC2. Maybe you spin up a C5.4x large with 16 vCPUs. Behind the scenes, AWS might be using 48 physical cores. That's what Oracle will make you license, 48 processors. Multiply that by Oracle's pricing and you're looking at over $2 million a year in licensing alone. With RDS, you might think it's easier, but Oracle's licensing rules still apply to the full host capacity. RDS with license included might be simpler, but it only works for Standard Edition 2 and limits your features. If you're using WebLogic, eBusiness Suite, or PeopleSoft, expect more of the same. All physical cores must be licensed. Even clustering and high availability might push you into Enterprise Edition licensing, whether you want it or not. And if you're under a ULA, unlimited license agreement, deploying in AWS still requires you to count physical cores. That means your ULA certification quantities can skyrocket, making renewal far more expensive than you planned. Oracle doesn't fully support its software in AWS. If something breaks because of AWS infrastructure, you're on your own. And if you get audited, you'll need airtight documentation of your deployments, configurations, and licensing math, because Oracle will demand it. Despite all these challenges, there are ways to make BYOL work, but you need a solid plan. You can consider AWS dedicated hosts to isolate your hardware and control licensing. You might even explore hybrid architectures where your Oracle database stays on-prem and only your applications run on AWS. Or if your organization is open to change, you could migrate to Aurora PostgreSQL or MySQL to get away from Oracle licensing altogether. And if you still want to stay with Oracle, using Oracle Cloud Infrastructure could cut your licensing costs dramatically under their friendlier cloud rules. If you're facing these decisions and don't want to make a $1 million mistake, reach out for a free 1-hour consultation. Our team includes former Oracle license auditors who can help you plan your Oracle Cloud strategy, optimize your costs, and stay fully compliant. Visit Redwood Compliance to book your session. Remember, Oracle built its licensing model to make you think twice about using any cloud but theirs. But with the right strategy, deep understanding of the rules, and help from experts who know how Oracle thinks, you can avoid the traps and take back control of your cloud costs. Don't go into Oracle BYOL blind. Get the facts, stay compliant, and make every licensing dollar count.